Welcome you all here Alpona for Annie 24. On Saturday, the All India Women's Cultural Organization observed International Women's Day with dignity across the country, including in the Kachar district. The day commemorates the courageous struggle of American textile industry women workers against exploitation and oppression on March 8, 1857. The International Conference of Socialist Women in 1890, led by Clara Zetkin, declared March 8 as International Women's Day to strengthen the women's liberation movement. In Kachor, a women's convention and rally were organized at the Silchar Central City Cultural Hall, attended by women from various parts of the district. The convention was presided over by a panel consisting of Rekha Bhattacharya, Chanchala Bhar, and Swagata Chakrabarti. Rimpi Bhakti explained the purpose of the convention, while Dr. Smriti Pal was the guest speaker. Other speakers including Dulali Ganguly, Secretary of the Kachar District Committee of the organization, and Khadija Begum. The speaker emphasized that the current capitalist government prioritizes the interest of the capitalist class and Indian capitalists in the global market. The event concluded with a rally, chanting slogans and marching through the city street. For more news and updates, follow us on Facebook and subscribe our channel Annie 24.
আমার ছোট বোন স্মৃতি অত্যন্ত সুন্দরভাবে বুঝিয়ে দিয়েছে যে কিভাবে মানুষের সবচেয়ে বড় কথা হচ্ছে চেতনা। আমার যদি চেতনায় আমার যদি বিবেকে নাড়া আমি নিজে না দিই, বাইরে থেকে যতই ফোর্স করা যায়, যতই বোঝানো যায়, যতক্ষণে বুঝলাম শুনলাম এখান দিয়ে ঢুকলো ওখান দিয়ে বেরিয়ে গেল, কারণ আমার চিন্তার সাথে কথাটা মিলাতে হবে।